Hello Varhandziwa, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you are welcome as well. Oh my god, it's been so long, but you guys are here. And as you guys can see, our skin is doing a little bit better. We still do have a little bit of redness. We do have like dark spots here and there, but we're doing a little bit better, you guys. So I do have a lot of updates. Like there's a lot of products that I reviewed before I actually left, which I still need to upload the videos about them. But today it is a video about the Dermopal. So I actually had filmed this Dermopal video like before I disappeared, and I can't find the footage, guys. Like I lost a lot of footages, but I'm gonna just refilm the video. Thankfully, you guys, I do have like pictures to show you guys like the before and the after, which I will be inserting in the video. Guys, actually filmed like the first impression of this product, and I told you guys I was gonna film like a detailed video on it, which I did. I used this product for about 1.5 months to 2 months, and I have some update. Okay, so I have with me here the Dermopal Blemish cream. It's supposed to give you an even skin color as well as help with your hyperpigmentation. So they actually do have the glycolic acid and kojic acid as the active ingredients. So these are the ingredients that are supposed to gently exfoliate your skin, as well as giving you that brightening effect, more especially on your dark spots. So this is how the product looks like, just in case you've never seen it. This has been around the corner for some time, and people have been talking about it, and I just had to, buy it. So on my first impression, if you've watched the video, which I'll just put on the description box, is that the first time I used it, I actually tested it for 2 days, and I felt a little bit of burning, and I just couldn't handle, like, I don't know what was going on. I realized that maybe my skin may have been irritated then I stopped using it completely to give it like some time and make sure that I give it a best review. Then I actually started using it about some weeks after. So anyways, with that being said, you guys, also please note that I am not a specialist. I'm just here like as a consumer, and I'm not even educated on these things. This is just my experience on the product. Okay, so I actually started using this product every other day because I wanted to build the tolerance, because the first time I used it, I thought, this thing is kind of burning, and you are to apply this on your directed area. By that time, you guys, I had a lot of scars, so I would just smear it on my face because I just didn't have time to actually spot treat. But you are supposed to use it on your affected area only, and you are supposed to actually use it during the night. So my skincare routine during the time was very, very simple. I'll just go in with my cleanser, and when I'm done, I'll just go in with the Dermopal cream, wait a good minute or two, and then follow in with my moisturizer and call it a day. So that was my night skincare routine for a full month and over. And what I realized, you guys, is that actually this needs a lot of patience. Okay, so what I realized is that it needs a lot of patience because it doesn't work overnight. When I was checking my pictures, the before and after pictures, I realized that actually my scars were fading. It was not the dramatic fading, which is actually like similar to most of the product. Like it's similar to almost every product that we use. They say give it like 3 months and so, but because everyone was raving about it, saying that they're seeing dramatic results and stuff, I was expecting like quick results. And this is just a product that I realized that, you just need to give it some time and give it like some 3 months. I did realize, however, that my scars were getting a little bit darker. Like I just didn't understand, so I would get a little bit darker before I actually saw like a little bit of results. So it was not the dramatic results compared to the serums that I would use, but it's definitely something that you can use. It's like an affordable way to actually treat your scars. Again, I know, you guys, when you've got some skin imperfections, sometimes patience is not something that we always have, which is something that can be frustrating sometimes. But I feel like, honestly, if you can use this for quite some time, you can get the result. If you've got like very sensitive skin, this might burn you like a little bit as well. I don't know if anyone has used the product and they felt like a little bit of burning and stuff. That's why sometimes you need to like space out your treatment. Anyways, you guys, let me just show you guys the before and after of me using this product for over a month. guys, I would say the advantages of using this product is that it's affordable according to me, because it is about $79.99 and I got mine at Dischem. And the second advantage, I'd say it's travel friendly, guys. This is portable. You can literally just slide it in your handbag. And again, I realized that a lot goes a long way. Although I was like treating literally my whole cheeks, I was like using a lot. So the disadvantage of this product is it looks like it's always sold out on every place where you can actually buy this. I don't know, everyone is just complaining about getting this product everywhere. The discount that I bought this from, they just don't have this product anymore. So I don't know what's going on, but it looks like it's always sold out. Another disadvantage is that it's just going to take time to work, and sometimes it might burn your skin. It might also make your scars a little bit darker before they actually become lighter. So if you are afraid to actually continue with it, you may have you may end up with the darker spots, so I don't know. So that is what I actually experienced with this product, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and yeah, that is it from this Dermopal Blemish cream and myself. And don't forget, you guys, to subscribe, to like and comment, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.